Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to our very first video of the Battle Cats. What we're going to do today is let's beat some legend stages. So to show you my deck real quick, I have all these cats, as you know, and my uber super rares. I have Ku, Heavy Jack, Cat 6, whatever that is, Marin Mizu, Yerfuan, whatever that is, and Volta. Yep, so let's go with that today, and this is my current deck. Yep, have a look at it, and alright. So let's start. Christmas Eve delivery. Okay, let's try this first. Got everything set up. Right. Let's go. I've already cleared level 1, so this one. Oh. Hi, face. Let's send out Butterfly Cat first and see how well he does, since he deals massive damage to floating enemies. Level up. Oh. Where did that snowball come from? Alright. Let's just clear this as fast as possible. Or it might be difficult, I don't know. Oh, wait. Okay, this head is much stronger than I thought. Let's use Butterfly Cat and Dancing Flasher Cat to put in some high damage, while putting up a lot of meat shields. Alright, got him knocked back once. Oh, it's a bear. Hey, wait. Time out, hey. Okay, I'm gonna send out this guy. Power Saw Cat. Another wall. I think this will do, hopefully. Or it might be more difficult. 2 bears? Okay, that is not good. You know, we have to kill the face, guys. Alright. Or, yeah, this is taking a while. Hang on a sec. Maybe I should have turned on speed up. Alright, so this is taking on too long. Maybe I should just give up. Yep, not doing it. It'll take too long. It'll eat up all of our time. We'll do that next time when I get a bit stronger. So, for what we're going to do today is Jingle Cat Bell. Actually, as a warm-up, let's do that first. Worm Stew. This one, it definitely shouldn't be that hard. I hope. The tower health is only 40,000. It should be easy. I think if I just put a Power Saw Cat, it'll work. Let's finish this. Okay, we got a few snakes. Wait, Worm Stew. What's the boss here? Is there a boss? Oh. A few moths and an elephant. Alright. Well, they shouldn't be too easy. Too hard. The thing about moths, they give a crap ton of money. Elephant dead too. Moral of the battle. If you kill a couple of moths and an elephant, you get a warm stew. Anyway, so what we're really going to do today is, we'll beat some more stories of legend. So I'm currently at Western Street. I beat those so far. Yeah, let's beat Western Street and continue on. Wandering Traveler. 230,000. That's pretty high. What's gonna come out here? Listen to this guy as usual. And let's just keep leveling up until a strong guy comes out. Wandering Traveler. Oh yeah, I remember the stage. It was pretty hard, I think. That elephant is really strong. Yeah, this stage might take a while too. Even these penguins are strong. Yeah, well, at least they have enough money. Let's send out these guys. We have to put in a lot of nukers and meat shields, like a ton. Okay, this is not good. Just keep sending out these guys. Oh shit. Okay, that elephant is really strong. How much health does he have? Oh wait, Marinizu's dead. Holy. Alright, got one dead. Now how long is it gonna take to kill this one? I'll carry on for just a little bit longer, and then if it doesn't work, if I can't kill this guy... Wait, there's still the boss left. Or maybe the elephant. Oh, crap. Volta's dead, too. Oh, another one? I have enough money, but my cats simply aren't strong enough. Do these elephants come out infinitely? I'd like to know. Alright. Okay, got Marin Mizu back, although he'll probably die in a few more seconds. I have enough money though, that's a strange thing. And let's get Volta out here, nice. Wait, 3 elephants? Okay, that is not good. Oh. Okay. Yep, this is way too hard. All of today's stages are hard. Oh, crap. Alright, so... Well, that's a lot of energy wasted. I may have to use cat food to refill it again, and I don't mind. Anyway, I don't think there's anything good in Legend stages, so let's go into the future. I beat chapter 1, so let's go into chapter 2. Alright, time to start to get to Valkyrie Cat. I really gotta get the treasure here. Wait, let me check my treasure real quick. Yep, gotta get these 2, and gotta get these 2. I really need treasure raiders, but as you can see down in the bottom, I have 0. Out of stock. Anyway, let's beat Korea. Why are UFOs surrounding kimchi? Alright, who cares? Let's just go. Since Power Saw Cat is strong against aliens, this should be easy. One shot, one shot. Boom. Oh, it's a sheep alien. Hippo dead. Kimchi dead. Nice XP and reward, but I really need treasure. Wait, where do I have to beat? Japan, Russia, Denmark, Spain, Greece, India, Cambodia, Australia. Okay, so I don't have to get the treasure from Korea. Alright, moving on. Oh, it's a desert. And there's a UFO on the Great Wall of China. Yeah, I should turn on speed up. Honestly, Into the Future, Power Saw Cat could beat all the stages alone in the beginning. Alright. Marin Mizu and Volta are both really good against aliens. So yeah, we'll send Volta out too. Having a lot of money, and we win. Oh, speed up. Nice. But still no treasure. I'll have to buy some treasure raiders. Need 90. Crap. Yeah, let's just keep moving on. Is that an alien in... Alright, let's try the butterfly cat. Oh, dang it, there's a sheep. I was hoping I could one-shot the tower. One shot. How much? Oh, he can't deal he can't deal that much apparently. Yeah. Yep, these guys are strong. Wow, that alligator's pretty strong. And boom. XP. Oh, finally a treasure. Normal Mongol horse. What? Use 30 cat food for full recovery. Actually, I don't really want to use my cat food because I don't have that money. If you look in the bottom right. So what I'm gonna do is let's try Cat Claw Dojo. Ranking, okay. Let's try ranking. Oh, never mind. This uses energy too. My bad. We'll do that next time. Let's do this one. At least we had infinite speed ups and cat CPUs in this one. Alright, let's go. Let's see if I can beat my current high score. Let's end with this guy first. Oh wait, turn off the computer. I don't want Dancing Flasher Cat out yet. Yeah, and the tower will kill those two. Oh, it didn't. Oh, hi dog. Holy crap. Hey, easy, chill. I forgot you don't get you don't get money if you defeat enemies in this stage. That black dog is really annoying. Anyway, the face is dead too. Never mind, he's not dead. I thought it. Never mind. Alright. Okay. Let's just keep spawning, guys, and see if I can beat my high score. Alright, the pig's dead. Queen Elizabeth is dead. Haha. A rhino, dead. Oh, dogs. Hot dogs. Hey, wait. Yep, let's just beat this, hopefully. Wait. Why aren't they dying? Wait, hold up. Just wait on a second. Hey. You know, turn on CPU. Can I get some more money, please? Why are these dogs so strong? Alright, got the pig. The pig's dead. Maybe things will be a bit easier now. Just keep spawning. It has to die someday, right? Nope. Apparently they will not die. They will not die. Did I beat my high score? Oh yeah, I did. Okay. Well, as our first video, I didn't really do much. So next time I'll come back with some stronger cats and more energy. Yeah, but I think we'll end it here for today. Hope you enjoyed. Please hit like and subscribe. And please leave video suggestions on the comments. And we'll see you next time. Bye.